Hello guys, in this video we will find the solution for the PSQL is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. So I have received this error when I try to connect to PostgreSQL 17 on Windows 11 operating system. The solution is we have to add the PostgreSQL bin directory in the system environment variables. Even if you try give like -u Postgres, see you got the same error. So right click on PC or in search for environmental. See here we have the edit system environment variables. Click on it, then click on environment variables. Here we have two types of variables, user variables and system variables. In the system variables, click on path and click on edit, then click on new, then browse, then select the path where you have installed the PostgreSQL. I have installed in C drive, program files, then go to PostgreSQL directory, then select the bin and click on OK, click on OK, click on OK, again click on OK. Run PSQL, still it won't work. Why? Because we have to open the command prompt again. Now run the PSQL. See, we are able to connect. Before we received the error. So now give PSQL -u Postgres, then provide the password of Postgres user. See, we have successfully connected with PostgreSQL Server 17. Okay, this is the way to fix the error. PSQL is not recognized as internal or external command. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.